Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the A50 and getting the base online. Plug the base into USB and optical if available. The LED will indicate connection. Once done, place the headset on the dock to initiate pairing. You should hear the confirm tone. Make sure firmware is current by installing Astro Command Center on a PC and running the update. Firmware resolves many issues. Finally, choose console or PC mode on the base so audio routes correctly and the headset can pair wirelessly. You now refine sound and microphone behavior to suit your play. Start with the game/chat balance on the base to prioritize voice or game audio. Small tweaks matter. Next, launch Command Center to choose EQ presets, toggle Dolby, and enable mic side tone so you hear yourself. Adjust mic gain slightly, then test in a party or recording. Move the boom about 1 centimeter from your mouth to reduce plosives. If you need different tones, save a custom profile for quick recall. You finish by validating settings in real sessions and saving the profile so you don't repeat adjustments. Make brief gameplay tests for positional audio and voice clarity, then store the headset on the dock when idle. For battery health, avoid leaving it fully drained. Long-term storage around 40 to 60% preserves capacity. If connectivity or audio drops occur, perform a quick base reset. Hold the base power for 10 seconds, restart, and repair the headset. That single step fixes most persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.